Hey folks, here's a quick improvement from our fabrication department where we produced the frames for our gobaplay climbing towers and domes. One of the key steps in this process is making sure that each frame section is made to precise dimensions. And in the past, the operator had to measure from the center point of one hole to the center point of the other. But because the frame ends are crimped, that was a tricky and inconsistent process. It took a lot of time and it wasn't easy. So, to simplify things, the team came up with a very simple but clever idea. They fine tuned one frame until the measurements were exactly right. Then they added small locating pins into the holes at either end so that the frame could be used as a master checking gauge. Now, any new frame can be checked instantly against that master, and there's no need for any measuring. Once everything was verified, we painted the master frames blue for the tower and yellow for the dome. We labeled them, we added red GPS tape, which matches that department, and we cut them into Kaizen foam so that they're always easy to find and perfectly positioned. Now, every operator can double check their parts quickly and reliably with total confidence. Thanks so much.